Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, not a cloud in the sky, really nice day out. It's a weekday, I have the day off work, so what better thing to do than head up the mountains, go for a bit of a drive, go explore a waterfall, and yeah, just enjoy a nice day out. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Currently on the motorway, heading down towards the mountain road that I want to head up. Different one to where I usually go. But yeah, I figured it's a really nice spot, so I'm going to bring my good camera, grab the gimbal, head down, try and get some cool shots of the waterfall and the car as well. And yeah, get some nice driving clips with the GoPro. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I've got another, I don't know, about 30 minutes until I actually get to some fun driving roads. So yeah, I'll pick the camera back up once we are heading up the mountain. Alright guys, so just got to where I wanted to go for a bit of a walk and check out a waterfall. So yeah, park the car up, going to grab the gimbal out, head down, try and get some shots. I mean, not going to go for like a full long walk and try and get too much footage, but sort of show you guys the reason why I actually drove up here. And then I'll come back and also get some shots of the car sitting here. So it's a really nice little spot. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, definitely give it a thumbs up down below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this type of video. If you guys are interested in this type of stuff, I will continue making videos like this. So yeah, let me know, always helpful. But yeah, with that said, let's grab the gimbal out and go for a bit of a walk down and check out this waterfall. where we started, on the motorway, but this time we are heading the other direction, heading home. So yeah, had a pretty fun little trip. Yeah, nice little walk, check out a waterfall, and also, yeah, pretty fun drive. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's a fun one to make, as always, as you can imagine, as driving these cars on mountain roads is always a great day out. But yeah, so I'm going to end it there. So hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for plenty more videos like this to come. With all that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.